Hello everyone, this is Christmas collection that I got ready for you, Christmas gift ideas. First we will start with wearables. Of course scarf. Scarf, it is very easy to make. Look on this scarf, this is 2 rows repeat and with large stitches and very nice yarn you can make this in no time. I've made this scarf. A little bit more difficult pattern, but if you are advanced crocheter it looks just great. I have made matching mittens. Mittens are also very easy to make. You make the ribbing and then you make the, I like it tight. I really do like it tight. I don't like very loose mittens, but if you want you can make it loose. First you start with the larger portion, but then you can reduce some stitches to make it for your fingers, or you just skip a few stitches and continue making this pattern. If you want to extend this part, it will be your thumb part. Very good Christmas presents in my view. Of course beanie. Beanie is always very popular, it is always very handy. Beanie patterns are everywhere. You can find this pattern or have a look at this and lots of other patterns. Little bag you can crochet in lots of different shapes. This bag I have made with granny stitch all the way around. This is just a good size for mobile phone. This is the pattern I designed to mesh stitch. Mesh stitch goes very quickly. This is for water bottle. Everyone needs water bottle bag summer. Little keychain. I love making keychains. They are so quick to make and so popular. You can't go wrong with keychain. I've got the whole selection of keychains. Little mushroom, butterfly. To make keychain last longer, look longer, you need to use cotton yarn for that. For more advanced pattern, those little dolls will look just amazing. They are my favorite dolls, but of course it takes a bit more time to crochet them. And of course ever so popular little pouch. Flower shape. If you've got some fans of Stardew Valley, they will love this little bag. Just little bit of fun, some fun in your life. This is made with double knit acrylic yarn. I was holding 2 strands to make it slightly thicker. Coaster sections. Coaster is ever so popular. You can't go wrong with coaster. Like a keychain, everyone needs them, everyone loves them. Coaster, all sorts of coasters, different colors, different shapes. This is like little tiny motifs. or you can make granny square. Granny square, very good choice for coaster. Make them the same color or different color with each round. It will be great. If you've got macrame yarn, you bought maybe from last event, yarn event in Aldi, very good choice. I have made a set. And I have even made large pattern. This pattern is not on my channel yet. This will be coming. Please keep in touch. Please subscribe to my channel that you don't miss the pattern. All patterns are free. If I am able, I am making PDF pattern as well for you to download and easy to use. Every younger member of your family would enjoy to have this snake. You know that it is the year of snake. I have the pattern on my channel. This is the snake that you can change the shape, or just ordinary snake. My son made this. You can insert eyes or without eyes, or you can make little embroidery couple stitches. It will all look great. This is very easy, very simple pattern. If you want to make some quick toys, you can always go for the ball shape, maybe add some ears, eyes. There you go, it is bunny. I have tried to make a dinosaur. If you are a little bit more adventurous, please have a look at this pattern. This could be a fidget toy, pullable legs, arms, so much fun, and fidget toy. There you go. You can squash him sometimes and release your stress. Ever so popular chicken pattern. I don't understand why, but chickens were very popular this year. I'm sure people love to receive them. If you put some beans in it, it could be a doorstop or it could be just a decoration. Mushrooms. Granny stitch works very fast for this mushroom. I love making those turtles. They are very quick to make. They are no sew pattern, a little bit adventurous and something different with the petals on top. Gummy bear. Gummy bear, this way, like this. Very quick pattern, just a few rounds, and you've got your own gummy bear. Or slightly larger toy, adorable caterpillar. Silly goose, everyone loves those goose patterns as well. This is more advanced crochet because we are making this all in one piece, with some shaping, increase, decrease, and we crochet this at once while we are crocheting the body. Of course, this could be added later. So first you make the shape, and then you add wings and feet. If you want slightly larger pattern, please check adorable bunny pattern in a hat. or the snail. Snail is very easy. This is looks large pattern, yes, for large toy, but very simple shape. You make the ball and then crochet all the way, and this is just like a little sausage that's shaped into the shell. Please check my other patterns. I've got so many little toys. I love making toys. Toys are my favorite, and the biggest selection of the toys on my channel. Check this for the idea. Crochet earrings, tiny little flowers. You can make flowers, you can make mushrooms, you can make just a granny square, anything you prefer. I'm planning to make snowflakes. All those little parts you can buy from Amazon and make beautiful earrings. If you like this idea, please let me know by putting a comments under this video, or you like any other ideas. I would love to read it all. Of course, I wanted to stop on another section for Christmas gifts. They are jewelry holders. Please have a look on this one. Very simple pattern, again very quick to make. You can combine lots of different stitches. You can make any width, any size of these jewelry holders. You can just hang them on a little wooden stick. Insert the stick as your holder. If you've got picture frame, have a look. Picture frame jewelry holders. Looks great. I love how they look. You don't need the pattern for that. You just make the width of your jewelry holder as a picture frame or your desired width, and crochet your favorite stitch, either it's a mesh stitch, either it's a double crochet, or maybe double crochet and then skip stitch. Or you can even use this scarf pattern for the jewelry holder. This is a cross stitch. I would say this is a more advanced pattern, but you can make this. Please watch this video. This one large row you make at once if you want to have a little bit more challenge and double crochet. Or you can go just double crochet all the way around. It will be great. Hope you like my ideas. Please feel free to check my channel for more patterns. Subscribe to my channel. Put notification bell. More patterns are coming. Thank you for watching and have a very Merry Christmas.